A pattern of abuse of individuals' rights. That's what an investigation says about complaints made about Clark County Drug Court employees. The I-Team has been investigating what's been going on in drug court, and now 2 employees are suspended. WHAS 11's Renee Murphy has an exclusive look at the report and has just been released. Renee?
That's right. It was just released today. It is 50 pages long and details a possible arrest and a home search. It's the latest development in our I-Team series as we get to the bottom of exactly what's going on. This is the report that we've been waiting to see. It was done by a private investigator about 2 Clark County Drug Court employees. The employees have now been suspended. If everything was handled appropriately, why are these 2 employees suspended?
That's a personnel matter that we can't speak to.
Attorney Larry Wilder is representing drug court and its judge, Jerry Jacoby. He says the judge did nothing wrong. The newly released investigative report shows 2 complaints about drug court procedures. One by a woman who says that drug court employees, Susan Knoble and Jeremy Snelling, appeared to be officers and did a full search of her entire house. The complainant was housing a drug court defendant. In the report, another probation officer says he does not feel the home visit was handled properly. In the report, Snelling and Knoble deny it was an extensive search and say no police officer was with them because they were unavailable. Snelling says that Judge Jacoby asked them to, quote, ramp up home visits because defendants were not following the rules. The investigation also addresses the matter of drug court defendant Cody Hendrick, who was taken from his job at Rockies on the River in handcuffs. In the report, Snelling says that Judge Jacoby asked them to escort the defendant to jail for violating the conditions of his probation.
That's not arrest. The word escort is just that, escort. I would like to think that my prom date, when she asked me to escort her to the prom, didn't feel like she had been arrested and I had taken her to the prom. I escorted her.
The private investigator says in the report that it can be called an escort, but Hendrick was arrested. And Jeremy Snelling said in that report that he had arrest powers through his job in the court. The Sheriff's Department says, though, that Snelling does not have arresting powers. The report concludes that procedures may need to be revisited and possibly some changes need to be made. Meanwhile, sources have confirmed to me a criminal investigation is ongoing to see if any laws were broken. Renee Murphy, WHAS 11 News.